Hi guys, this is Steve Crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. So it's almost 1 a.m. Nigerian time here. So I'm going through my Binance. I want to take you through my Binance to show you how I'm tracking some coin and what I'm doing at this hour trading crypto. Okay, now I have some coin on my mind, but I have to look at what is happening in the market. If I will need to place a trade overnight or I'll wait and be patient. Now we can see that BTC is trading at $27,784.98 per BTC. So let's look at we're in the home page. This is my account, we're in the home page. So let's look at what the market is saying now. BTC. So I'm trying to carry us through the chart. So let's see what is happening. Because I believe you know that BTC, most of the altcoin depend on BTC. So now I have my RSI. You can see my RSI is turned on. My MACD is turned on. You can see my MACD. This is the MACD line, and this is the Bollinger. The Bollinger is also turned on. You can see that the Bollinger is also turned on. So I normally use the Bollinger bands, MACD, and the RSI. So RSI for this particular coin BTC now at this moment is saying the RSI is 68. There was a bullish movement from around, okay, we're in the 1 day time frame. So let's go to 1 week and see. No, let's use the 1 day. Okay, there was a bullish movement, let's say yesterday, 2 days ago. Let's see what it says. You can see it moved from 27. Okay, I think it even moved from 26. Okay, there was a bullish movement around 4 days ago, because each candlestick represents 1 day. So we're in today, this is the candlestick. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Around 6 days ago there was a bullish movement. Let's put a mark on it. You can see it here. We have the coin moved from around 26 to around a high of 27, and from then it spiked to 28.5. So at 28.5 it got rejected. It's still testing, it's still trying to test the resistance at 28.7. Now it has been coming back, it has been rejected, and it's still going back up. So there's high tendency for BTC to still drop back to 26.2, 26.4, and also there's a possibility that it breaks this resistance and move to 30. So, and you know, many altcoins depend on this course. So let's look at other altcoins. Few altcoins I normally look at, that I normally trade. So one of them is the BNB. The BNB. I have also, let's go to trade. I have Bell also on watch. I have Bell on watch. I actually took profit for Bell because let's check the chart. I actually took profit for Bell because it dropped down to 0.57. So when it dropped down, it picked back up. It went back up to around 0.6, and I took profit. So I still think it will still drop down to around 0.5. So I have a buy limit order at 0.54. I think I have that. Let's go to my futures trade. This is the futures. Let's switch it to Bell. Mind you, this is Nigeria. I'm live from Nigeria, showing you how to navigate trade on your phone. Now this is bell. You see I have an open order. Let's see bell. So I set an open order in case the market dip. I will be buying bell at 0.54750. Hopefully it hit this. So this is one trade I've set, and also I have another trade on my other account, a sub account for QNT. My buy limit was filled. It was filled at 85. You see it dipped. It was filled at 85.5, and now it is around 86.5. So I'm actually in profit in my other account, and I'm also watching. I set a take profit at 90, and this is 90 here. It's 90, but actually when it gets to 88, rather 89, I will take profit. So this is Steve Crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and crypto trading platform. Kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and share, and keep tab on my daily post or my post on YouTube. You can use the bell notification to get update on what I normally do every day on Binance. So lastly, I'll be showing you my Binance feed account. So let's come to home. So in case, I will be dropping a link in the description for you to follow me on Binance feed so that you can get my signals. So let's look for Steve Crypto. So this is the Binance feed. These are traders, so you can see this is me here. So let's click it. I have some spot analysis already that I've posted on my Binance feed. Let's look at some of them and end this video. Remember to subscribe, as I will be showing you how to set up trades on your phone and take profit. Okay, you can see this is Steve Goshen Crypto. This is me here. I'm a level 2, one of the top Binance feed creator. You can see I have 32.1k followers. I have so many likes and so many shares also. So let's see. So for the spot trade I gave on, I think 14 days ago, about 14 days ago on AVAX. You see, this is the evidence. You can see I gave them a trade and it has pumped. You can see it actually pumped. I gave them the buy area was 8.3 to 8.5. It actually came down and people bought. You can see it hit the target, all targets and beyond. So it was after 14 days that this particular spot trade made the movement. You can see it was today. This is it. The movement is here. This is it, the green candles. So you can follow me to get more updates and trading tips. Like I said, so you know I don't just lie to you. So this is it on Bell. This is my trade on Bell. I set a buy limit when it was around 6.4 at 0. When it was around 0.64, and I set a buy limit at 0.58. So when the dip occurred yesterday, the day before yesterday, I took 24% in profit. So another spot analysis is this. So if you want to get all these details, you can click the link to my Binance feed in the description and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get the update. Thank you.